In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious couscous with mushroom recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of sliced mushrooms, 2.5 cups of couscous, half an onion, half a cup of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of parsley. In a pot over heat, we're going to add the oil and the onions and saute them. Add in the mushrooms and cook thoroughly. Season with the salt and the pepper. Add in the couscous. Season with the chicken bouillon and the paprika. Add in 4 cups of water. Add the parsley. Cover with the lid and cook thoroughly, stirring occasionally. Once cooked, take off the heat. Once plated, top with sour cream. Our couscous with mushroom is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.